Hey guys, it's Daniel from DLT Reviews, and this is our unboxing of iPhone 11 Pro. So here it is, the iPhone 11 Pro. And as you can see here, this year, Apple is using a black box instead of the traditional white boxes that they've always done. And taking a look around, we have the iPhone 11 Pro up front with its weird camera array right there. Over on the sides, iPhone, Apple logo, all the classic stuff. So let's get this plastic off right now. Get that to the side, slide it off, and there we go. We have the iPhone 11 Pro here in gold. And as you can see, this year Apple has decided to go with a matte finish on the back. Put this to the side for a second and check out what else is inside. So here we have a regular documentation, SIM ejector tool, and Apple stickers. They do not match the color of the phones, unfortunately. Let's put this to the side. And here we have the ear pods, which are connected by Lightning. And the USB Type-C to Lightning adapter. So this year, Apple has decided not to skip out on including a fast charging brick with their phone. So this is an 18-watt charger instead of a 5-watt, which they have been using all the way until this year finally. Unfortunately, if you buy the iPhone 11, it'll still come with a 5-watt charger. So let's put all of this stuff over to the side and check out what we're here for, the iPhone 11 Pro. So as you can see, the design hasn't changed much from previous years, from iPhone 10 to 10s, but this camera bump right here is really something else. Anyways, let's peel the plastic over the front of the phone. There we go. And power it up for the first time. So that's about it for this unboxing, guys. Sorry for the shorter than normal video. I actually recorded this last year, but never got around to uploading it until now. But if you are interested in a longer video about how the iPhone 11 Pro performs today, and if it's still worth it, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell icon so you'll be notified of when that video comes out, or click right here if the video has already been uploaded. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.